What's up, everybody? It's Brian Adamson, the remote investor. I'm here in Detroit celebrating two of my apprentices, man. They just did something really sweet. They just closed their first flip, right? So they've been wholesaling for the last couple of years, and now they just embarked on their first flip, so I'm excited. They're about to take us through their journey, walk us through the project, give y'all some insight on how they doing, what they doing. So, Avery, why don't you just walk us through, and Brittany, what's going on outside, what y'all planning on doing? I mean, it's a beautiful curb appeal, but yeah, what's the plan? What's y'all exterior repairs?
So starting on the outside, we obviously got some facial repair that we need to do, some tuck pointing here on the porch.
Okay.
Around the sides of the house is some rotted wood that we have to replace.
Okay.
The roof is like 2 years old, so we good there. We actually, around the side of the house, you'll see how we're changing the layout of the kitchen. So we actually gonna brick up a couple of windows.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add a layer to the garage roof.
Got it.
So that's gonna be pretty much the heavy lifting on the exterior work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna leave the existing wood fascia and just repaint it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And then as far as these exterior windows, y'all leaving those original?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna paint the windows and keep it pushing.
Need some new screens.
Yeah, new screens, clean them up, but they good functioning windows, so we can keep those.
Solid.
Save us some money on that.
Absolutely, bro.
Yeah.
I really like the color of the stone, like around the house or around the door.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the sides of the house like a beige color to match that, and then the fascia we're gonna paint to match the color of the roof. Just
Okay.
to kind of give it.
What color on the roof? Like that burgundy,
Like
brown?
It's like a dark brown.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then same thing, obviously we gotta paint the soffit and power wash like crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all plan on putting any railing around the porch?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go look at the garage real quick. So back here, y'all plan on putting new shingles on the garage?
Yeah.
Okay. You doing a recover, or you tearing it off and putting
No,
back?
just recover.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked like it's only one layer up there, so that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then facial repair, the garage door is actually new. Just one of the hinges is broke, so we gotta repair that.
Okay.
And then on this side, if you look through, you can see the light coming in, so we gotta replace some of the wood.
Got it.
On the side of the house, on the garage.
Okay.
And then, replace the door on the side, and then power wash and paint.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's good, because that's another thing. People need to make sure you look at your garage. A lot of people just identify that as one back there, but they don't think about the fact that the homeowner, while they enjoy the house, they still want to make sure that their garage is functional and is aesthetically pleasing as well, right? So make sure you look at the garages, you look at the concrete, which y'all did pretty good on the concrete, huh?
Yeah, it's solid.
What y'all plan on doing back in this area?
So we uncovers so back here before they did the landscaping, you couldn't see nothing.
Okay.
Right? So we got some flower pots uncovered, so we're gonna utilize those, paint those.
Okay.
But outside of that, we ain't got much of a plan outside of that. You got any ideas on that?
I noticed the fire pit.
Yeah, I mean, I did see the fire pit. I think you could clean the yard up, get a lot of the trash out,
Yeah.
plant some grass seed, and kind of leave it open for whoever comes. Yeah, whatever they like to do. I think it's a lot of opportunity. If you wanted to do anything, I would say tear all of this up and then plant the grass seed.
Okay.
But the problem is you got such a quick renovation that by the time you go through that, it won't get us enough time to grow, right?
Right.
And so everybody not gonna come in being optimistic in that way, and they may see that as more of an eyesore because it's a hole in the backyard versus the fact that y'all prepped it for whoever else, right?
Got you.
So, and that if y'all had a 3-month renovation, I would say go ahead and do it. But you're gonna be in and out of here probably in 45 days.
Yeah.
So I would just clean it up, get all the trash out, clean up a little more of the fence line, and then call it a day. But I like the way that y'all thinking. You're not trying to over improve or overdo. Talk about I'm gonna put a pergola back here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't even know what that is.
There you go. There you go. You know what I mean? It's a need to know basis.
Right.
Yeah. So y'all got a little bit of stucco repair back here.
Yeah.
Looked like it used to be an exterior door coming off of one of the bedrooms. So they closed that off.
Yeah.
Removed the porch. So you think y'all just gonna be able to paint that wood, get away with that, and then paint the stucco?
Yeah, some parts, I think back here we good, but there's some parts where it's like some rotted wood. We may have to do some wood filler in some places, but yeah, we just want to clean it up and paint it.
Yeah. This actually came out good considering, a lot of the time when you got those decommissioned back porches, it's on a brick house. So when every time you take one out, the brick never matches. You end up having to go back a red brick because you just can't find a lot of this brick now laying around.
For sure.
So because it's stucco, y'all will be able to paint over that, and it'll be seamless to the point where nobody even know that it used to be back there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, yeah, let's go inside, see what's going on.